In this video I'm going to show you how to use multiple effects on TikTok at the same time. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first open up TikTok application and then hit add plus sign to start creating new video. Now you can record a video or you can hit here at the right at upload icon to upload here some video from your phone's gallery. I'll select that one and now I can hit add next. On that step, all I have to do in order to add effect here is hit there add effects. And now there I got different effects. There are several categories like visual, motion, sticker, translation and split, and I can simply switch between them. And now if I want to add an effect to that specific part of that video, I have to place playback marker on the beginning of that part and then just hold down on the effect. The video starts playing and now I can see that I have just added a zoom effect to that specific part of the video. Now, if I want to add another effect to another part of the video, I can do it in the same way. Place playback marker at the beginning of the part that I want to add effect, and then I have to select another effect and hold down on that part to add another effect to that specific part. And in the same way I can add as much different effects as I want. As you see on that video I have just added 4 different effects, and here you can watch now how it looks like. Once you have finished, just hit on save, and now you can hit on next and share this video to your TikTok feed. That's how it works, guys. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.